Pratima, how are you? I can't hear you. I think you're on mute.
Oh yeah. Hi, how are you? I'm good. How are you?
Good, good, good. So just to let you know, you're on record. You know that, right? Because we
Yeah.
record all our conversations. So
Oh yeah.
how was your interview yesterday?
Yeah, it was okay. Uh, I don't know.
Did you hear anything yet?
No, nothing.
Okay, so I have a good news for you. They're
Mm-mm.
willing to offer you the job.
Okay.
Yeah. I
Wow.
got an email from the executive director earlier this late this morning,
Okay.
and he said that let me read the exact words for you.
Okay.
So, did you meet him in your interview?
No, she was Trimpy. I think Trimpy was on
The
there.
director.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you have the executive director that was the one who emailed me, so the one that she reports to.
Mm-mm.
And then he said we completed the interview with the candidate and decided to move forward with her application.
Okay.
Our office manager will send the job application link and further instructions to Pratma.
Mm-mm.
Advance Happy New Year to you and your team. And then he gave the direction to that manager to say to proceed with your hiring.
Okay.
How
Wow.
do you feel?
Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, I told them before the starting of interview that I need that this much hours. So if you will be um, able to provide me that hour, then I'm okay to do this job and all. And in between the interviews, he muted and then talked to maybe the reporting person, and they decided that okay, we will give you the full hours that you needed for the license review, but you cannot leave. Please don't leave. This is sin. She didn't say that you cannot leave. Please don't leave if you're after your license renewal, because we already you invested you and all things, and then you leave after your license renew, then it's gonna be loss for us.
Mm-hmm.
So, and I told them, yeah, I will not leave if I need to sign or some documents anyway. So, I'm ready to sign it. I don't leave. I will not leave. I told them. So, yeah.
You're ready to sign like a return of service? Is that what you were saying to them?
Yeah, I will continue the service over there. Yeah, I told
Mm-hmm.
them.
Okay. Maybe that's
Mm-mm.
why they feel reassured that you will not just get your 450 hours of
Yeah.
practice to renew your license. So they're offering you
Mm-mm.
the job. So that's very
Okay.
good. I'm glad because here's the thing, being truthful,
Mm-mm.
being direct, and at the same time working collaboratively,
Mm-mm.
right, is very important.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
not about what you need. It's not about what
Mm.
you need. What you can
Yeah.
also bring to the organization
Yeah.
is better than because if you bring something of value to these organizations and you are accountable,
Mm-mm.
you are professional and
Mm-mm.
you are in a way truthful
Mm-mm.
to them, they will also support you,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, yeah. That's why beforehand I explained everything, that I already got a job from Interior Health, but this is happened, so I could not accept that job. So the main thing right now is I need 450 hours to renew, and they mm, decided to give me the hours and all, and then yeah, and then proceed their interview afterwards.
So they decided to do that because you give them assurance and
Yeah.
you were truthful to them that you will
Mm-mm.
stay even after obtaining the 450
Yeah.
hours,
Yeah.
right?
Mm-mm.
Which is
Mm-mm.
very
Yeah.
important. And I hope you stay true to your words. You honor
Yeah,
your
yeah,
word.
sure. Yeah. If somebody helps you, then that's our responsibility to help them as well. So, yeah,
Definitely,
yeah.
right? Okay, I'm happy. I'm so glad you got in because that's
Mm-hmm.
actually the last position that they have.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you tell them when your start date would be?
No, I didn't tell them the exact date, but they told me that you might start from next week.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm looking at the calendar.
Mm-mm.
You need to start by Monday next week.
Monday.
If you need your 450 hours by the end of March,
Mm-mm.
on or before the end of March, you have to start by Monday next week.
Okay. Yeah.
How are you? Are you gonna move and relocate on your own or with the family?
Yeah. We have to sort for that. We today this morning I um, talked with my husband as well. He's ready to relocate, but right now it's time is very
Mm-hmm.
short. That's why let's see. Right now, if we family were not able to move, then I will go for first. Then I'll find the places, and then they will come later. But yeah, I will do this.
Okay. You know where you're moving, right?
Yeah, Williams Lake.
Okay. So, next steps. I want you
Mm-mm,
to prepare for two references.
mm-mm,
Ideally, it should be from someone who supervised you or managed you, someone that you reported to before.
mm-mm.
They
From
might be
my nursing experience.
not necessarily if you have any non-nursing positions that you've done in this country and that you have a boss or an employer, then that would be good enough as well. But I need you to be alert on that because when Prabjot is the office manager, when Prabjot emails you,
Mm-mm,
she will ask you to complete like your online or application profile under system.
mm-mm.
Once you complete that, it will trigger their system to issue your job offer.
Okay.
Yeah. But before they trigger the system for the job offer, they will ask you to provide them with two references.
Mm-mm,
And you have to make sure that you make your references, your referees aware that they
mm-mm.
will
Okay.
receive an email.
Okay.
Ask them to check their inboxes and even their spam folders.
Okay. Sure.
Okay?
Mm-mm.
As the sooner they complete the reference check, the sooner you'll get your official job offer.
Okay.
Do you have your vaccination records ready?
Of I have a COVID vaccinations
Mm-hmm.
only. That's it. I don't have
Okay.
other records. Yeah.
They might ask you to do some vaccinations.
Mm-mm,
You may have had them before, but that's one of your conditions of employment.
mm-mm,
So wait for their email for their instructions.
mm-mm.
I know what they need, but the thing is, this is more like a rush situation for you because
Yeah.
you need to start immediately to get your 450 hours, right?
Mm-mm. Yeah.
So just prepare whatever records you have. Did you have like TB test before, TB X-rays or the
No,
skin test?
nothing. I don't have.
You didn't have any of that before because
Yeah.
you work as a nurse back in your home country.
Yeah, but there is not a mandatory. They don't need this all
Mm,
recordings in Nepal.
mm,
So
okay.
yeah, I don't have.
Mm-hmm. It's all right. Just see if you can call your family physician here or
Mm-mm,
call for a clinic to get you in for the test.
mm-mm.
But what I understand is that you'll have 6 months to comply for that requirement anyway.
Okay,
But the
okay,
thing is, I don't know how easy you can get that in
mm-mm,
the location that you're going to be working at.
mm-mm.
So just do your due diligence and look into that. Okay?
Okay,
But for
okay.
now, prepare your two references or
References.
referee.
Okay. Mm-mm.
Let me see if you have a record on our dashboard here. Just a second. I have introduced two nurses again as well today because they also need for 50 hours. So it's hard. We're
Yeah,
just
it's
the
hard.
last
Uh,
minute.
Yeah, last second. It's not a minute. Yeah,
How are you feeling right now, though? Do you feel
yeah.
better?
Yeah, it's better, but it's tough as well. I have to relocate in the time is very limited. So yeah, let's see. Both combination, stress and happiness
Mm-hmm,
are
mm-hmm.
fighting right now.
But you have to learn to regulate your emotions
Yeah.
and carry yourself well because it's not
Mhm.
going to be easy. You've never worked
Yeah.
as a nurse in this country, so you will have
Yeah.
a steep learning curve,
Mhm.
right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So I need you to uh, learn to regulate yourself. If you need
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
any help from us, you can let us know.
Oh,
Let
yeah,
me
sure.
just uh, let me just check here. Mm, mm. So your records here says that your references are Shelley in Burnaby and
Yeah.
Anuja.
Anusha, yeah.
Okay. Do you want me to send this to them so that they can send the emails now and then get your references done so you can get your official job offer?
Uh, mm, can I change one references right now? Can
Yeah,
I
you
change?
can. Yeah, why
Yeah.
don't you give me, can you email me your references and then I'll
Oh,
send it
yeah,
to
sure.
them
Oh,
so
yeah,
that we
sure.
can get the
Because
ball rolling. You need
uh,
to start by 5th to get your hours.
yeah, yeah, that's the yeah, yeah. Okay, I will send you the email immediately after this call. Yeah, I
Okay.
will.
Yeah, send it to me. I'll send it to the executive director. He will have to tell his team to do the check immediately.
Mm,
They will
okay.
ask you to complete an online, more like application or a
Mm-mm.
candidate profile on their system.
Okay. And should
But
I get a mail from them, or I have to go on their site and apply for the post, or
email,
what?
email.
Or they will send the email?
Yeah,
Okay, okay, sure.
okay. But send me, if you can send me your references now, then
Yeah, yeah,
I can
sure, sure.
forward it.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how do you find our support for you? Because you reached out to us just a week or 2 weeks ago, more or less, right?
Mm-mm. Yeah.
And how was it so far?
Uh, sorry, I can't get you. What you say?
How was your journey so far looking for work on your own
Mm-mm.
versus looking for work through us, so our through our team?
Yeah, it was really good. I really appreciate your effort and the help as well, because it's you already said it's last minute, but um, I was all about hopeless. I was like hopeless before. Yeah, but one thing is the good thing, which I renewed my Ontario license this December, 1st of this December. At least there is one option there. So I was like hopeless that I was feeling that I'm not able to renew the BC license now. It's done now. It's waste of money, waste of time. I was thinking that before. So yeah, it's really helpful as an international graduated nurse and to get job here. Yeah, it really feel nice. I'm glad that we yeah. I'm, I'm glad that I contacted you. Yeah, I'm
Mhm.
glad.
You had your license in BC since August
August, yeah,
2025.
yeah.
And how many applications have you sent out since you got your license?
Yeah, actually, I have. I think I have told you before that I had to go back home because there was emergency. My mm aunt was very sick. She was suffering from cancer since 5 years,
Mm-hmm.
and it's been 1 month. We lost her
I'm sorry.
already. Yeah, and yeah, it that's why I was late, little back due to that. I spent almost 1.5 month over there. Then after coming back here, then I started applying job. So the timing was wrong. I think all things went wrong. But yeah,
And
thank
you
you
were,
so much for your help and support. Really, really appreciate it.
thank you. I appreciate
Mm-mm,
you too. Thank you for
mm-mm.
appreciating our work. It's not easy.
Uh,
And
yeah.
we sometimes also feel like it's hard to keep on representing IEMs.
Yeah.
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 I'm glad that after several months of you
Mm-mm,
looking for work, you finally have a job offer
mm-mm.
and you're
Yeah.
starting. Please, please start sooner because I'm worried about your license. You don't
Yeah.
want to be in a position wherein you have to do a re-entry or go through all these assessments and possibly
Yeah.
courses and re-entry, which would take you
Yeah.
more
That's
than a
yeah.
year or two again, right?
Mm-mm. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Do you want me to connect you to the nurses that had started working there?
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah. Let me check
Uh-huh.
with them if they're okay. I think they would be. They've been working there for 1 to 2 months, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay.
And I will wait for your email for your references. I'll
Oh, yeah.
forward it
Sure.
to the ED, and
Mm-mm.
hopefully you get the ball rolling so that you can start by January 5th. You need that. You need that to start on that day, else you
Mm.
won't have enough hours by the
Yeah.
end of March.
Mm-mm. Okay. Okay. Sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you start looking for accommodation if you haven't yet?
Yeah. I haven't now. I will. I will. And if I get for the family housing, then we will move together. Otherwise, I will move. Let's
Okay.
see Airbnb and
Do
all.
you want me
What
to
are your
tell? So they have there is like a hotel motel that's like a few walking distance away,
mm-mm.
and sometimes they do temporary housing there. Do you want me
Okay.
to tell them that you
Oh
need that
yeah,
for
yeah,
now?
sure, sure.
Okay, I will tell
Yeah.
them. What I'm gonna do, once you forward me those references,
Receptionist.
I
Okay.
will CC you to my no, maybe not. Because it's the
Mm-mm.
senior person that
Senior,
I'm
yeah.
talking to, right? So let
Yeah.
me, but I will also tell them that you would like to get that accommodation sorted out if possible,
Mm.
so you can start on January 5
Oh
if
yeah, sure.
possible.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Yeah,
Okay?
sure. Yeah.
All right. Do you have any questions for me?
Not right now.
Well, I'm very happy
Okay.
for you, Pratma.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
And thank you so much for your effort, your help, and your all. Yeah, I really appreciate it.
Thank you. I will
Thank
tell
you.
my team. Oh,
Mm-mm.
is there, can I ask you a favor? Is it okay for me to ask you to give us a feedback? Um, I think I can ask Jim. You've spoken with Jim, right? I will ask Jim
Yeah.
to send you our link for feedback if you don't
Oh
mind.
yeah, sure, 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 sure.
Yeah.
I
And
will.
is it
Yeah.
okay if I'm gonna upload your video to YouTube?
Oh yeah, sure.
Is
It's
that, are you
okay.
sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Because usually we
Video
record,
means
but we keep it on
video means
private.
what type of video?
Maybe this
Huh.
conversation of ours.
Oh, okay, sure.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, I appreciate that. Thank you very much. But
Mm-mm.
let me wait for your email, please, if you can send it today, so we
Yeah, yeah,
can
sure.
get you onboarded
Yeah.
fast.
Yeah, yeah, sure. In
Okay,
5 minutes, I'll send you five in 5 minutes.
thank you. Thank you. You
Yeah,
take
you're
good care,
welcome.
and I hope to speak with you soon.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a good
Yeah, bye
day.
bye. You
Bye
too. Bye
bye.
bye.
Bye bye.